crunch it softly when you eat. B for ball, we throw and catch. Let's play games and have a match. C for cat, who says meow. She sleeps on mats and climbs the bough. D for dog, a loyal friend. He guards our home right till the end. E for elephant, big and gray. He waves his trunk and walks all day. F for fish that swims so fast. In the water she can't be last. G for goat with little horns. He loves the grass and early morns. H for hat, put on your head. It keeps you warm before bed. I for ice cream, cold and nice. Tastes so yummy with sugar and spice. J for jug with water cool. Let's pour it out and fill the pool. K for kite that flies so high, dancing freely in the sky. L for lion, king so bold, with a mighty roar and heart of gold. M for moon that shines at night, glowing gently with silver light. N for nest where birdies stay, safe and snug all night and day. O for owl who hoots at night, wide awake till morning light. P for pen, we write and draw. With colored ink we're filled with awe. Q for queen with crown so bright, she rules the land with peace and might. R for rabbit, quick and white, hops around with great delight. S for sun so big and round, gives us light and warms the ground. T for tree with branches high, where birds sing and clouds pass by. U for umbrella in the rain, keeps us dry from drops again. V for van that goes zoom zoom, takes us places vroom vroom vroom. For watch to check the time, tick-tock sounds in lovely rhyme. X for xylophone, play the beat, music sounds so bright and sweet. Y for yak with furry hair, lives on mountains cool and rare. Z for zebra, black and white, runs so fast